It's soaking wet here, plus ice. Wait till you get out here to do the wheelie. About to go past the police station. Alright guys, in this video I just got done recording it. I came out here to learn a new combo and I got it way faster than I expected. I was gonna come out here and kind of explain the process of learning new tricks and I got it right away. So, you know, there wasn't much else I had to do. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching me hit that trick first try. I just asked that you guys like the video, please. Like the video. I've been getting a really good amount of engagement recently, and I want to thank you guys for that. I'm gonna keep on putting out videos. I think what I'm gonna try and do is Monday and Friday, and if my posts keep flopping on Mondays, I'll just do Wednesday and Friday, because those are 2 good days to post. So you guys can expect a video every single Monday and Friday, or if you don't get one Monday, it's gonna be Wednesday or Friday. So yeah guys, enjoy. All right guys, I'm out here. I came out here last night. It was 19 degrees and it's 9 degrees warmer. It's 28 right now. So I was thinking today while I was at work, I was like, man, I'm fed up of doing the same few tricks. I gotta learn something new. This is what I kind of want to do today. I want to go here, here, here. No. Sorry. I want to go here, here, here. Ah, see, it's scary. It's actually super scary. It's way scarier once you're on the bike. Like that. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to do it for a minute just on the seat, riding flat. Once I get used to that, I'm going to try it in a wheelie. So, yeah, let's see. Okay. That's a couple times. I think I'm honestly going to be able to get it, man. This is one of the tricks I've wanted to learn for a long time. I've just been too scared to try it. And I don't really have a lot around here that I practice in. I do everything in the streets as far as learning. So, obviously I make sure there's no cars behind me. Next to that, just straight up streets, man. It may not be the smartest thing ever, but I just did it. Let's go. Now I gotta do it in the light. Bro, this is freaking sick. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Yo, let's go. New combo, bro. New combo right here. Just learned it. Let's see. Oh! Okay, I don't have it down yet, but that was almost a fail. So, the one thing I have learned is you really just have to go for it. Like, if there's something you're super scared to do, I wouldn't recommend you do it until you get out of your own head. Once you're out of your own head, just go for it. So I'm gonna go for it right here. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. You know what really made me want to come out here? I'm gonna show you guys right now. Young lungs. Alright, so this guy posted on his story right here. In 2025, comfort zone is my enemy. I've been sitting in my comfort zone for way too long when it comes to wheelies and combos. So I want to get out here and do something new. Oh, he's still revving. Oh, he's giving me a like pass thumbs up. I tried to give him a fist bump on the way by. Air 38. Turn the bike back on. Did my throttle cable come unplugged? What was that? Oh, he's going to get some liquor. Alright. My earbud fell out. My earbud fell out. The lights on. Oh, no brake. Brake fade. Holy moly. Yikes. Bring this thing back. This trick is so weird. Kind of feels fun though. Lots of cars and a cop. Hi, fella. This is not the time to get a clip on this road. I'm gonna use my brain. Matter of fact, no cars except for him. Alright, let's get this thing. Ah! Oh no, cop, no! Don't pull me over. Oh, that's not a cop. Oh my gosh. I thought that cop did it like double back. Bro, that scared me so bad. I got pulled over my very first night out on this bike. It was my first ride, first night, first everything, and I got pulled over. Yeah, it was something, man. It was an experience. Is that a cop? It might be. Let me pull over here just in case. It is not a cop. Okay. It's soaking wet here, plus ice. Wait till you get out here to do the wheelie. There it is again. I maxed it out. That's actually a weird little error, actually. So I guess full throttle maybe has something to do with the temperature. Kind of cuts off. I've never had that happen until today. My hands are cold, dog. I'm gonna have to go home. I haven't talked this much this video because I've been pretty locked in because this is a brand new combo. Doing a brand new combo on a main road like I just did is not smart at all. Beep. We're about to go past the police station. We're about to go past the police station. No combos right now because I'm going 40. I'm not quite that good. But yeah, I'm going home, dog. I probably don't have much battery left in my camera because I left and I only have like 20%, so I'm gonna head back. I'll call it a night, man. We got a new combo, like, let's freaking go.